Congratulations, Coach Leo. You got your usual offense back, but more than that, your defense did wonders, limiting TNT to just 35.2% from the field. What were the key adjustments after game one that you would attribute to this victory?
I think the biggest impact tonight is our defense, and because we have a lot of energy and focus as a game, and because of the last game, we're not that kind of energy and focus the game, and makikita mo yung intensity and player. So we're able to match up the energy of our opponent, and then yun, talent nag-prevail, especially si Don Trollano, and then at the same time, so laging pinapanggit natin na yung bench namin, and they contributed heavily. Okay, unlike last game, talagang 30% lang. Ngayon, I think this 50, 65 at saka 46 guys, so napakalaki yun. But because of the effort, we out-rebounded them, unlike the first game, they out-rebounded us in spite na we're the leading rebounding team in the league after the elimination. But credit to the players because they are so focused today.
Thank you, Coach Leo. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, nung game number 1, more than 50% yung production in the offensive side sa team ngayon. Tonight, yung mga perimeter players mo na-deliver, especially Don Trollano, ano yung adjustments nyo to make sure they were able to contribute this time, especially ay mga bumaba sa 0-2?
It's very obvious in the last game namin. So 11 out of 45 yung guards namin, especially mga wingman, and that's a huge asset pa para sa amin. Usually, yung bench namin minsan malaki pa ang production sa bench sa starter, and I think they are so focused with this game dahil makikita mo naman sa dugout and they are so quiet and then thinking of something.
Coach, hindi lang po kay Rodney. Seems like he had a really bad form from second half. Naging 5 minutes sa...
Yeah, we don't know yet, but i-assist ng mga PD namin. But it will be a huge impact para sa amin kung hindi siya makakalaro. Because when it comes to hustle, na andyan siya lagi makakasama siya. And sometimes, kung min-score pa siya, unfortunately kanina, so accidentally na bakan yung paano isang player nila. But I hope na minor lang ito, and then magagaling naman yung PT namin, bahala na sila para makabalik ito sila.
Don, congratulations. 22 points tonight. Don, siyempre maraming usap-usapan about sa strategy sa game 1. Paano mo na pagpag yun at nag-focus na dito na magpakita sa game 2?
Yung mindset ko na talaga bumawit kasi yung game 1 pangit yung laro mo. Iniisip ko lang talaga hindi mo pwedeng madaw ng end-to game. So ginawa ko lang yung best ko para makapos.
Coach, isa sa mga adjustments mo was to insert Kwame Johnson sa starting lineup and you responded with 9 points per half. Ano masabi mo sa pinakita niya?
Yeah, Awami naman, alam natin ang nilalaro niya before this playoff. And gusto ko lang bigyan ng kumpiyansa because I know he could help a lot. And besides, alam natin si Chris Rosas is not 100% So they started at the same time, he's a threat anytime he's open So, floor spacer din siya dahil kung meron kang big man na pinupuntahan, so manilinig yung help from the guard or the big man because everybody is a threat from the perimeter. And maganda kay Wanda, everyday naman, nakita natin siya na talagang hindi nawawala siya, and then he don't care kung gamitin siya o hindi, but he keeps on getting in shape.
Coach, naging marinit yung mga uling saglit ng laro. Plano ito kung play-out sa game 3 on Sunday?
Well, it's I think it's a matter of how hungry we are and they are. And then I'm expecting it will be an exciting game dahil 1-1 at na-reduce na sa best of 5, ano? And game 1, for the best of 5 is really crucial eh. But we don't know yet kung ano ibibigay nila, but as far as these 2 games is concerned, ano, binibigay nila yung preview nila dito sa defense. And the mere fact na talagang nagtatrap sila sa amin, I think that is one of their surprise sa amin. And then last game namin, ganun din ginawa nila, talagang full court man to man, and then mabuti na lang, we have big leads, ano, yung 24 points namin na-cut down to 10. Fortunately, andito si Don, nag-perform para sa amin. And then, siguro gusto bumawi ng last game niya. Congrats to Don.
Doon, with this, after kung magandang performance mo, ganun malaking taas sa kumpiyansa mo to na yung tabla na series, game 3, umiinit na yung laban.
For me naman, hindi ko lang inisip kung gano'n din yung mga confidence sa kanya. Basta ako, ginagawa ko lang